Ada Jesus don't die, my people. Now very sad and breaking heart news. And this one just happened as I thought to now. According to matter wey reach me, they say she suffer cardiac arrest. Where as the rush and go hospital, she no survivor. And some people don't they talk say he died before they even reach hospital. Yes, for when I went know they love the whole thing where they happen. This whole matter be start when Ada Jesus go bring out matter for Odumeje and retired Oche say they perform fake miracles for Odumeje in church. So they according to matter wey reach us, so they say Odumeje and Rita will lay curse on the girl, which don't they sick since. No be today matter. Some say kidney, some say na the swear where they swear for her. Some say many things, my people. As I they told to Nana, this girl don't go. In fact, but before she die, I get something where I want make una see, because if the video as she dey hospital bed, you understand? So now the last thing when we get, now the last memory when we get before she pass out. So I beg, I want make una join me watch the video.
Angels in human form, people like the Chimak, people like the Hansi, and other Nigerians, God already said it. They don't stand by him. My darling sister. Get up, fight back, fight that sickness, my sister. People die yesterday, people die today, people died last week. Today you are still alive. Give God all the glory. So man, go and play God. And the last week I don't know if you talk. And the last week I don't know if you eat. And the last week I don't know if you know anybody. And the last week they carry attack the way they carry the but today now attack can talk. Today now attack can eat. Today now attack can communicate. And that now they Jesus. Say this is morning. They have been singing. And that is +1. Happy birthday, my darling sister. Happy birthday, my beautiful sister. God has taken charge of your life, and God will heal you. Amen. Yesterday.
I think say they too expose this girl recovery. If you now ask me, because we don't say spiritual things they involved inside this matter, and as we know, if we be saying only these 3 people serve know wetin happen, Ada, Odumeje and Rita. Nobody know you wait sit down there, no be waiting they tell you, you go just say okay now this thing happen. Many things they involved, in fact, many things they behind this girl death. I don't even know which one to even put my hand on top right now. But they not supposed to even expose the recovery, because no, when Ada started chop, because they say she no fit chop before. When she started chop, they bring her outside. Ada Jesus can eat now. When she started talk, they bring her outside. Anything where any improvement, so they go just bring her outside. We don't know who be who. If you ask me, they not even suppose they for just leave her on a low key. May nobody even know if they accept. May they just tell them say, we are managing, because see, this life is spiritual. Now you now don't see what it don't happen. Everybody don't bring their own. The girl don't finally die. At least the good thing now be say, they say she make peace with everybody which she offend. Now wetin they talk? Say she apologize to everybody. I'm sorry, oh, this why you go they meet with, they go they call people. Everybody where she remember say she offend. At least now good thing, oh, may you just go in peace. No say you don't. Your heart they clean. For now way just they come outside. They talk say she died because of the Odumeje is powerful. They lay cause of how una they show say na me. I don't want to talk some kind of things, but please make una think this thing very well. Everybody for this world they insult person. If you not say you never insult person, I beg indicate make I see you. Everybody don't insult person for this life. Everybody. Now be say if not by insult people they die. This world we suppose they without people. Yes, everybody suppose don't die by now, because we they on a daily. No, think am. So now they talk say now because of Odumeje now. I cannot talk, I beg. Before una go to say, now my mouth don't bring this one. This kind of thing they pay no. It's really painful. They pay me because this girl na person where at least no everybody they make mistakes. You understand? And for the first say she even go apologize. I don't know, but some people now don't they tell me say assuming they forgive her on time. For save your life. I don't know how true that one be. Oh. They say now Odumeje hold am, say e hold in life, say all of una wey don dey put person for pedestal, abeg I no dey inside. Which one be because of one man's forgiveness? Abeg, if na kidney, make we know say na kidney. Because na wetin doctor even talk, dey say na kidney. As they carry am enter hospital, some people even talk say this girl already don die before. Say no be even today matter. I just dey hope say Odumeje and Rita Edochie now, as una hear this one, I just dey hope say una dey feel somehow for una heart. I just dey hope. The thing really shock me. The kind thing, no, if anytime I dey remember wetin this woman even talk for that church, e dey shock me. Woman, mama like you when you get children, you dey talk say you no go ever forgive, you no go do this one. Abeg my people, see why I bring this thing now so that una go know say this girl don leave us. And abeg, see, people dey offend each other every day, but I wan make we learn. E no dey easy o. Some things e no dey easy for you to let go, but try and remove. You see, remove am for your mind. If e mean say you go give person space or anything, but make sure say nothing dey. I dey very serious, because this life you no know who go live next. So try and live your life in peace. As simple as that. Now the message wey me I fit get from this whole thing wey happen now. You understand? Very, very important. And for our family, sorry, our condolences and our prayers are with you. We hope say una go get strength wey una need for this period of una life. My people, now the sad news be this. This girl don leave us as I dey speak now. So anything wey you guys talk concerning this matter, abeg make you start the drop am for that side. And make sure say you share this video. Make everybody know say Ada don go. And subscribe so that you no go miss any interesting matter we will get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.